Well, I'm back tuning into today's video. We're going to do the 5-day forecast today. Going to have a detailed look at weather for the next 5 days. It's staying very unsettled. Going to be quite cold as well, actually, especially Friday into the weekend. We're going to bring some really quite cold air down from the north, so temperatures will be going below average for a few days. Now, before I go on with that, just mention the advertising. There's video ads on my pages at GavsWeatherVids.com. If you hit play on the video ads, you don't necessarily need to do anything else. Don't have to sit to watch the whole thing all the way through. Just hit play, and you'll be supporting GavsWeatherVids.com by doing that. It's a means to an end. It allows me, have a website, it pays the website, so it pays me to sit here and talk to you via the website, and it's a means to an end, as I say. So thanks very much for doing that. Gav Shop is open. If you want to do any Christmas shopping at Amazon, go through the Amazon banners in Gav Shop, and you can do your Christmas shopping as normal at Amazon, but at the same time, GavsWeatherVids.com will get a royalty fee on anything you buy, and thanks so much for doing all of these things for Gavs Weather Vids. So the radar picture, first of all, this is coming from the UK Met Office, and you can find the link to the UK Met Office website on my links page. So I've got a bit of a north-south split today. We've got showers up in the north across Scotland, but got more persistent rain from a strung-out weather front across England and Wales. Now that's quite light and patchy rain at the moment, but it will get heavier this afternoon. The front will pep up, I think. The start of that is these green and yellow colours just coming into the west coast of Ireland. And things will pep up this afternoon as this little low pressure runs along the weather front. So for Ireland, England and Wales, it's going to be quite a cloudy, wet day. Not that wet at the moment. As I say, rain pretty light and patchy, but it will get heavier through the course of this afternoon. Away from the very far south, where skies could brighten. It could stay mainly dry along the south coast, but most of England and Wales having a wet afternoon. Sunshine and showers further north for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Temperatures today, somewhere between around 6 and 12 degrees. It's pretty mild still in the south, but it is colder up in the north. Now overnight, that weather front is going to really struggle to clear the country, actually. There is the situation at 6 o'clock in the morning from the GFS model. We're taking that little low pressure away into the southern North Sea, but the front is still strung out across southeast parts of England and Wales in particular. So we start the night quite wet for England and Wales, but that rain will increasingly become confined to East Anglia, southeastern and southern England, with the Midlands and Wales tending to dry up. Clear spells and showers further north, most of the showers around the western coast of Scotland and Northern Ireland. It's going to be quite cold for Scotland tonight. Temperatures could get low enough for a frost in some sheltered areas, down to -1. Still pretty mild down in the southeast with that rain. Temperatures there somewhere around 8 or 9 degrees. That rain will very gradually clear away from the southeast tomorrow morning, but it could be a slow process, so a pretty wet start down in the far southeast to begin Thursday, but slowly it'll clear away. And then really it's sunshine and showers through the course of the Thursday, and we're in this strong sort of westerly wind here on the GFS chart, so it is showing that it's basically a showery day. Most of the showers will be in the west, very few getting through to the east actually. I think most easterners will have a nice day once that rain has cleared from the southeast with some good sunny spells. Temperatures will feel rather chilly in that westerly wind though, to just 10 degrees in the south, in the north nearer 5 or 6 degrees. Cooler air is edging down all the time. And I should just say these charts are coming from the website weathercentral.de, and you can find the link to Weather Central on my links page. Now overnight Thursday into Friday we could bring another little trough through across England and Wales. That's indicated by this slide-tailing glacier in the isobar. So I think it could take another bout of quite heavy rain across the country late on Thursday night into Friday morning, and then Friday could be a pretty wet morning certainly, and probably lingering on into the afternoon in the southeast, but slowly that rain will push away. But I think for England and Wales we do take another pulse of quite heavy rain through on Friday. Showers following from the north, and really for northern areas, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, it's a case of sunshine and showers, and probably more showers actually on Friday in the north than will be the case on Thursday. It's going to be a cold day as well, with temperatures just 3 to 8 degrees at best. We're all going to be down into single figures, I think, and it will be cold enough for showers to be wintry over the higher ground across Scotland, and maybe a few flakes though turning up over high ground of Northern Ireland and Northern England as well. Moving through to Saturday, we're going to bring another little trough through across England and Wales. So most of the action is focused on England and Wales over the next 5 days, with more sort of showery conditions further north. But I think for Saturday morning, we're going to start off again, very similar to Friday morning, across England and Wales, with another pulse of quite heavy rain coming through. Eventually it clears and it'll brighten up for a time, but then we could bring more rain in later on in the afternoon to Wales, southwestern England and Ireland. Always brighter with more showery conditions for Scotland, Northern Ireland, and just coming down into the north of Northern England. But again, quite cold, so the showers will be falling as wintry showers. That's rain, hail, sleet and snow across Scotland, and possibly coming down onto the Pennines and the higher ground of Northern Ireland as well. Temperatures going to be on the cold side, up between around 3 and 8 degrees at best. So really quite chilly around Friday, Saturday for many parts of the country, with temperatures going below average. A little ridge of high pressure could give us a frost on Saturday night. That could be the first widespread sort of frost of the season across the whole country. Temperatures falling very close to freezing in many places. That little ridge will hang on for most of Sunday, but eventually this area of low pressure is starting to move in from the west. So Sunday probably starts cold with a frost and some good sunny spells, but many central, eastern and northern areas staying mainly dry with sunshine. But for Ireland, Wales, southwest England will turn cloudy and wet, with a warm front bringing some quite heavy rain in through the course of the afternoon. Temperatures again will be on the cold side, away from the southwest, between around 3 and 7 or 8 degrees. But in the far southwest, eventually we could get up to 10 or 11 as that warm front moves in. And that will be the way we go into next week, in that west to southwesterly flow across the country in a warm sector. So it'll be a much milder day on Monday at the end of the forecast period. A lot of cloud around, and there will be some dampness as well, but temperatures really will be picking up between around 10 and 16 degrees. 16 and 61 Fahrenheit, so we'll go from below average through Friday and into the weekend to above average at the start of next week. Actually well above average. We'll be feeling very balmy on Monday. Finally, have a look at the charts from the weather outlook. Well, there's the rain across England and Wales today. It's more sort of showery conditions further north. For Thursday, well, it's a better day actually. A lot of dry and bright weather in east areas, but there will still be some showers in the west. Friday, it looks as though we're going to have quite a bit of rain actually coming across England and Wales through the course of the morning. Much colder day as well, with temperatures generally in single figures for just about all places. Saturday, well, this doesn't show it actually, but I think we do run the risk of bringing another sort of weather system through across the country, particularly Saturday morning. There is some rain being signalled there for Saturday morning, so yeah, I think we're going to have a wet start again on Saturday morning for England and Wales. Brighter further north and cold with showers, and then that'll clear away and probably brighten up through the course of Saturday afternoon, but more rain could threaten the far southwest. Sunday looks a reasonable day for most of us actually. There could be a frost to start off with, but rain will spread in from the west and the southwest through the course of the day. Still cold, but on Monday we'll have a lot of cloud around. This is showing some reasonable sunny spells, but I think it'll be more cloudier than this. But the main thing about Monday is the temperatures really pick up, possibly going up as high as 16 degrees in the southeast. That's 61 in Fahrenheit. And just to say, you can find the link to theweatheroutlook.com to see those charts on my links page as well. So in summary, well, it's staying very unsettled, and the rain is particularly focused across England and Wales. There could be rain on today, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday across England and Wales. Further north, it's more sort of showery conditions, and over Scotland it will be cold enough for those showers to be wintry. It's going to turn generally colder over the next few days, so temperatures will be below average for most of the country by Friday and into the weekend. But they'll pick up at the start of next week, becoming much, much warmer on Monday, but staying unsettled. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and come back this evening when I'll be doing another Christmas update. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.